In this training byte, we will create a simple circuit to test the breakdown voltage of a Zener diode found in the PSpice library that is available with OrCAD Capture. We will then edit the model and rerun the simulation to see that our updated model has been used, and then examine the location of where the modified model was stored and how it got included in our PSpice simulation. To start, we'll create a new project. We'll name our project Zener. Our simple test circuit will need a VDC voltage source from the source library. We will also need an R component from the analog library. We'll add the D1N750 diode that we will be checking the breakdown voltage of, and rotate it so the cathode is at the top. We'll add a ground symbol, and then wire our components together. Let's make our voltage source 10 volts and our resistor 10 ohms. We'll also add a current marker on the cathode of the diode so our current curve will automatically be displayed in the probe window. Let's edit our simulation profile, and set a DC sweep of our V1 voltage source from 0 volts to 10 volts, incrementing by 1 volt each time. When we run our simulation, we see that the diode didn't start letting current flow until the voltage got to around 4.5 volts, giving us a breakdown voltage on the diode of about 4.5 volts. This is the breakdown voltage of the 1N750 diode model that was included with the PSpice installation library. Let's select the diode on the schematic and edit the model. The default model is displayed in the model editor, and we'll change the breakdown voltage from 4.7 volts to 8.0 volts. If we run the simulation again, we can see from the probe window that our edited model was used, and that the diode does not start conducting current until about 8 volts now because of its edited breakdown voltage of 8 volts. It is important to note that we have not changed the model in the installed model library. Other projects that we create will continue to use the default model with the 4.7 volt breakdown voltage. When we edit a part in the part editor, a new library is created for us and stored in our project. If we open a file explorer, we can navigate to our Zener_PSpice files directory, and we see the Zener.lib PSpice library file that was created when we edited our part. Any parts that we edit in this project will be stored in this PSpice library file. If we edit this text file, we can see our edited 8.0 volt breakdown voltage. This library file was also automatically added to our simulation profile so the simulator would use it. If we edit our simulation profile and go to our configuration files, we can click the library category, and see that this .lib file was added to our simulation profile for use. If we wanted to use this edited library in other projects or designs, we would simply edit our simulation profile, and add this .lib file to the simulation profile. In this training byte, we created a simple circuit to test the breakdown voltage of a Zener diode found in the PSpice library that is available with OrCAD Capture. We then edited the model, and reran the simulation to see that our updated model had been used, and then examined the location of where the modified model was stored, and how it got included in our PSpice simulations.